select reverse gear, and then you try to reverse, and if the car's not going to reverse gear properly, this is typically not your fault. This is quite common with most cars. In fact, every car I've driven has always had trouble going into reverse gear. Remember, the engines on the car are primarily designed to go from A to B, not from B to A, so it's quite understandable they could sometimes struggle reversing. So if the car doesn't go into reverse gear properly, you should be able to feel it. So my clutch is down, I'm going to go pressure towards the right and down my gear stick, and what I can feel, it doesn't go down as much as it would normally. So that tells me it's not in reverse gear properly. Now that went in properly there, it went further down, and also it gave me a beep. Now the beep doesn't mean it's in reverse gear properly, the beep just means the parking sensors are active. So the beep could happen, but you might not still be in reverse gear. The main thing to look for is the gear stick should go down fully, it should almost click into place. If it's not clicking into place, you're not in reverse gear, so do not attempt to try to reverse back, as there'll be no reverse lights at the back of the car, and also if you're facing down a hill and you try to reverse back, you'll just roll forwards and you won't be able to reverse back. If you try to reverse back by lifting the clutch up, this will happen. Here's the solution. So, keep your foot brake on, keep your clutch down. You want to keep your foot brake on so the car doesn't roll anywhere. And then, I'm going to go neutral, release your clutch, and clutch back down, and then try it again. And it should then go in that time. If it doesn't go in that time, try again. So, go neutral, release the clutch, clutch down, and then try it. Sometimes you might have to try a few times to make sure it goes in. If you have a gear stick like this, where reverse gear is next to your first gear, the same principle applies. So, if for example you try to go into reverse gear and it won't go fully up, then what you need to do is press your clutch fully down, select neutral, then release your clutch fully, then clutch back down and into reverse gear, and it should work that time.